Hi, my name is Andrew McLaren, and here's a quick tip with ChatGPT. If you were trying to brainstorm things, tell it to give you 10 or 50 number of things. So, for example, I was trying to come up with a title for a video here, and I kind of liked the title, but I wanted more, just so I could just pick from it. And I'm going to pick and choose from this. I'm not going to take a whole title. But what's really interesting is that you can give it some feedback and you can tell like I kind of like some parts here, but not other parts. So could you give me some more that sound like this? This is an incredibly useful tool for not just titling videos, but giving you different group names or just brainstorming versions of things or like, yeah, there's a lot that you can get with give me 10 versions of this thing. I also like asking it for tags, um, and then just like refining that in a similar way where it's like give me a certain number of tags, but YouTube needs the tags like put in comma format, so you have to tell it like put in commas, and then without dash tags, and it should give you something that you can just copy paste straight into like YouTube. So this is pretty nice, for giving you lists of things of like tags or titles if you're trying to come up with something like that. Thank you for McLearning with me. Before you go, please check out the following services that I offer with my business. So if you click the link in my videos, this goes to my website. I might be changing it from Podia because I'm no longer doing the interactive videos for sale. I might put those up for free. But most of my other services are linked here. So you can see that I've got like a Teachers Pay Teachers and a Wyzant. The Teachers Pay Teachers has a lot of my assessments that I have for like the NGSS, as well as lessons that I made when I was actually a teacher in the classroom. So I've got quite a few things like CERs and other things on there. If you want to get one-on-one live support from me, either like with science or like working on like teaching support lessons and that kind of stuff, you can sign up through Wyzant. I have a link to there where you can contact me there, and we can schedule hourly appointments. And I've got a few other things on here like a Facebook page, and other social media. And if you're interested in getting professional development with me for like a team of teachers, a whole page with information on that. So yeah, feel free to check that out. Thank you.